Alright, it's me and Caleb, Mitchell and Caleb as an alliance. Right now, we think we hear footsteps right down there. But we're just base camp at this tree. Alright, hold on. I gotta get my bag. Here, put this back on. Just for right now. Hey, guess what I already ate. Yep. I didn't eat the Lays, I ate an animal. I also found a rabbit, but I didn't get to shoot it, so I was running from Daniel. Did your bag come with chips too? Did your bag come with chips?
Huh?
Did your bag come with chips?
Yeah. Chips and water and some extra bullets and things to hold it.
Alright. Alright, dude, we gotta be a little bit quieter because I think I hear someone. I think I hear somebody, so we gotta be a little bit quieter.
I wish I got an extra clip.
I didn't get one.
I think
Shh, be quiet.
this is what I saw Daniel right here.
You saw Daniel right here?
He's like sitting right here. Cut through there. Kind of came in here.
I was right over there. I came out the woods, and this is where he was sitting.
I was like,
Shh, Caleb. Quiet. He took.
right here. I was like, should I go that way or that way? And I
Caleb.
went straight.
Alright, he took off this way, so he could be anywhere down here. So let's try not to talk so much.
Oh, this, I hate that.
Onion grass is good. Yeah, I hear it too. Here, no, come here, come here. I don't hear it anymore. Except for those stupid dogs barking. Alright, let's head back. Let's go. If they form an alliance?
Yeah, they have already.
Well, apparently, I only know what Daniel got 2 pistols. Otherwise, I don't know what Adam got, and I haven't seen him since we started.
I think I thought I saw him laying down in the field as he ran towards the field. He was running through the field. Last time I saw him.
Yeah, that's all I saw him.
So freaky. I was like kind of scared.
Look at trash can.
Approaching the fence.
There's water over here. But we're already good. I haven't drank any yet.
Get your some water in your can.
I already have water. I haven't drank it.
No. I got some too, but if you run out.
Alright, come here. Cut through these woods. Alright.
Did I see yourself?
I don't know, but I just ran to a spider web.
I know I did.
Alright, let's take a break.
Where's your mask? Oh, you have a mask.
Alright, we're at the corner. We're at the very corner. Here's the fence. We can't get through there.
Yeah, but I saw Adam. He ran to the field. That's where he ran, and I think I saw him pull out a pistol. That one semi-automatic one that you opened.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's take a break right up here. It's so muddy. Cut through these.
Let's find a good hiding spot and kind of camp for a little bit. Take a snack and stuff like that.
Right here. Alright.
I got something too. It's kind of strange. I don't know why they put a stuffed animal penguin in your thing.
I didn't get one.
You don't even have it. I don't need
Oh
it.
man, I'm sweating. The only reason I'm wearing this jacket is because it's brown. Camo.
You can
Put it in your bag. I don't
No,
want it.
it's too big.
Your bag's bigger than mine.
I got bullets. I got a pen. Kind of strange.
Alright, let's head out.
They know my gun takes care of reload. Oh my gosh. This is a woodland and field. Marina. That's what sucks.
Ready?
One sec, let me get everything back in my thing. You can take off your sweatshirt.
No, I need the camo.
Well, I haven't been using camo.
Oh my gosh, my glasses. And you never know. The game makers could change the temperature any second now.
Yeah.
But if they make it hot, yes, I'm gonna take it off.
And they can turn it from day to night, but it's kind of strange how they have it all day pretty much.
Ready?
It's been like
It's only been about an hour.
Yeah, I know. It'd be suck if this was like a day, like 2 days.
Alright, ready?
At the end, you want to like split up and then hunt each other down when we get them. If
We're gonna have to because only one can win.
Yeah. Unless if you want to give up your position.
What are you talking about?
If you want to win.
Let's go for now. We'll figure that
I
out
just
later.
heard talking. I just heard him talking like 100%.
Alright, we've come to a clearing.
There's a bird over there.
I know, there's a bird.
Yeah, let's go.
Up in the
Let's
tree.
go sit next to the fence.
We think we've heard them talking. I think Caleb said he heard them join an alliance. And I thought I heard a gunshot down here.
Let's go. Sit by the fence.
Alright, let's just take this way.
Yeah, they're by the fence.
How do you know?
I just saw it moving. I think it was
Well, we're near the end. Just a while. Oh yeah, the fence is up there. I see the beginning.
Dude, I can't believe this is the 75th game.
75th.
Yeah.
Alright. Where in the world are these guys?
Like twigs and stuff, mine.
That's me whistling. Alright, let's go up here. I haven't seen them for a while. This is starting to be freaky because there's only 4 of us and we're in a big giant wood.
They probably ready to bug each other out.
What if they did?
We won't know them.
I doubt it. I bet you they had an alliance.
I bet they did it the whole time. Like they secretly did it.
Well, there's a fence.
Look at me. They're trained to probably did it. Guy knows.
Come here.
Oh my gosh.
I have no clue where they are.
I know, seriously.
We've been out here for...
Barely any water too. There's like a little bit of muddy water.
No. But yeah, let's just go this way because we've already been down there to our left.
Let's go straight into the deeper.
This is where we were just a while ago.
I know.
When we first made the alliance, we came down here with the dogs and everything.
Yeah.
But we've been hearing gunshots in this direction. So we just came down there. So they're not this low, but we just go further back.
Let's go straight, like really far back, because we haven't been that far.
I don't think they're gonna be all the way down here because that's too close to that guy's house.
Yeah, I know.
Again, make the building.
Go straight.
They'll probably blast us out like they did, Hamish.
Yeah.
That force field, but you see the knife.
Yeah, it bounced up.
The girls, yeah, it came back up.
Just turn here and go straight to the woods. I can't believe this year in the Hunger Games they actually literally gave us guns. Let's go this way.
Alright, I think this is a roundabout. Watch out, bud.
I don't care.
But you know what? If they're seriously out and it's just us and we don't know it, that should be disappointing.
Who do you think should win? Who would win?
I don't know.
Would you give up your life for me to win?
Maybe.
I probably would.
Alright, this is no turnaround, so let's head back. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, we're both in District 6. I forgot about that. You're in District 6.
I wish we were, but